Hello my friend, I'm very excited because I got my cordless table saw from DeWalt. Model number DCS 7485T2. T2 means it comes with the 2 flux batteries. Let's see what's in the box. Nothing. I want to make sure there's nothing inside this one. The charger and the juice. The flex volt battery, 18 volt, 2 of them. You have to open this one sticker here, the sticker. When you transport the battery, you should put this on. Not gonna need it now. Let's see what's in the box. Small bag. It's a nice bag from DeWalt. It's empty. Nice, huh? What's in the box? The guard. This for a blade guard. The manual, user manual, make sure to read it. Make sure nothing here. It's empty now. Let's set this away. This is the handle for raising the blade. This is the fence. Your push sticks. This one switch. This is the switch here, on and off. The rack and pinion, you can release it from here, this hand here. Here to lock it down. Oh, 1 bar only. Here, your battery port. sitting here. I'm gonna take it out now. Here in the back you have the dust vent and your wrench. These two wrench for the blade. Let's raise the blade. Here you can move the blade from 0 up to 45 degrees. You just release this handle here and just move it 45. Raise the handle up and you release. You can move the blade now, and to lock it down you just press down. So before I use the table saw, I will make sure if it's 90 degrees. It's 90 degrees now. I will go 45, and to check the 45 degrees I bring my square. It's 45. After we make sure it's 45, it's ready to go. So there is not too many table saw, you can carry it in one hand. See? So if you're gonna make lots of cuts and you don't want to miss in your shop, you can carry it out and you let the wind take care of all the dust. Now let's set the telescope and rib fence. Clicks on both sides. And you have 24-inch rib capacity from the blade. From here to the blade, it's 24-inch. And also have flip over support and ledge to support wide cut. I will show you in a close-up. To release the clicks in the back, you take it out, you put it in again, clicks in the back, very easy. Again, take it out and put it in. Make sure this go all the way down. This machine have 8 1/4 diameter blade. 8 1/4 diameter blade. Now we come in the back. If you want to take the riving knife out, you just untie this knob here and pull it out. Here is the riving knife. If you want to put it back, you just pull this knob again and tighten. Okay, I will show you one more time how to take the riving knife out. You just untighten the yellow knob and pull it out. Okay, easy, take it out. To put it again, you just pull the yellow knob out, release and tight. And to install your blade guard, you take your riving knife out by untight the yellow knob and pull it out, set it away, put your blade guard, same procedure with the riving knife. Okay, it's secure now. Take it out again. You untighten the yellow knob here down, pull it out, and take your blade guard out. Okay, you put it, you just pull out the knob, tightening the knob again. It's secure. You put this away. Now I'll put my miter gauge. And now let's operate this machine. I want to hear it, how it's sound. Not very loud. So if you make lots of cut outside, DeWalt made the solution. Perfect solution for outdoor. If you can get any benefit from this video, please like and subscribe. Again, I cannot pronounce it very well. Subscribe.